Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I will show you how to fix when one earbud isn't working on your headphones POCO Buds Pro. You have to start by put your headphones to the charging case and now close the case. Now it should disconnect these headphones from the phone. Yeah, we have it. Now open it. And we have connected again. Now check your headphones, maybe it help you. Also, I recommended to check battery level of the charging case. Maybe it have no battery here, and that's why. Now, if it didn't help you also, we should make a hard reset. So put it to the charging case and now press and hold this connectional button until this LED light stop flashing. I mean, it would be white and then it start flashing. And also it will be disconnect from the phone. And right now, as you can see, it stopped flashing and start again because it entered to prank mode, and also it disconnect from the phone. Now click the information icon or settings icon if you have Android, forget this device, forget device. Also, if you have Android, click pair new device and then click on your headphones at the device list. And we did it! Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. It's really important to us. See you later!